Trump did in fact violate the gag order, the DA's office is asking for a $1,000 fine per violation. Fox's Nate Foy, the White House urging the Senate to pass a $95 billion foreign aid package. It includes more funding for war-torn Ukraine. National Security Council Coordinator John Kirby speaking aboard Air Force One.
The Senate passes it. We can get them the kinds of critical materials and weapons they need now.
The measure also includes funding for Israel and Taiwan. America is listening to Fox News.
My brother-in-law died suddenly, and now my sister and her kids have to sell their home. That's why I told my husband we could not put off getting life insurance any longer. An agent offered us a $100,000 policy for nearly $50 a month. Then we called SelectQuote. SelectQuote found us identical coverage for only $19 a month, a savings of $369 a year.
Whether you need a $500,000 policy or a $5 million policy, SelectQuote could save you more than 50% on term life insurance. For your free quote, go to SelectQuote.com. SelectQuote.com. That's SelectQuote.com. SelectQuote. We shop. You save. Full details on example policies at SelectQuote.com/commercials.
As the #1 audio company, iHeartMedia gives you access to all. Every audience, live conversations, trusted influencers, and the insights and data you need to grow. iHeartMedia is your access company. Go to iHeartResults.com for more.
Great news! You still have time to get financial aid for college. The deadline has been extended to May 2nd. Complete your FAFSA or California DREAM Act application today. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Apply now at castudentaid.org/apply now. That's castudentaid.org/apply now.
The free iHeartRadio app is #1 for music, radio, and podcasts, all in one. Discover a new podcast from our library of over 350,000 titles. Here's an iHeartRadio podcast preview.
Biscuits. Cheddar Bay biscuits. A convenient and delicious luxury for many. But for LaToya, it might have been the bite between life and death. The last place she'd been seen was at a Red Lobster in Inglewood, California. She was officially announced as missing and had been since July 23rd.
I honestly feel like it's her boyfriend. He's a suspect.
Look, I mean, we were talking. I decided to start my investigation Jehovah's Witness style. Hi, have you seen it? Have you seen this girl?
Nah, you?
No. Okay. Seems as though these missing black girls are just forgotten. And it was starting to feel like I was hitting a wall. I'm Rose Cranberry. This is Looking for LaToya.
Listen and follow this podcast for free on the iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts, all in one.
All the good stuff. Yeah. Camps keeps you on top of pop culture.
It looks like we'll have to wait a bit longer for a theatrical project based on Stephen King's 1975 classic Salem's Lot, following TV miniseries adaptations in 1979 and 2000.